So, way back in 2000, when we actually joined Reddick for our hosting services and domain name registrations, it was a different company altogether. And what I see today is complete transformation in terms of the size, scale, offerings, everything. So back then, yes, the relationship was very. So it's like a very small and very tight knit kind of a thing that we had at that point of time. So a brand becomes trustable by the people, and when the people behind it are dedicated to what they are doing, I think that's what is building up the trust, and that is what has brought us back for various requirements that we have had over a period of time. It's become a family, actually. Frankly speaking, I can't differentiate it as a client now anymore. It's become a part of my organization, as well as I look at it as my family. At any day, I have full access to it. So the best part that I have liked about Redix Web is that the urge to always innovate. And I say that because when I look at the transformation from a 2 company to a 400 people company, it just doesn't happen overnight, right? So when it comes to the tech part, I like it personally because the people behind it are always constantly innovating, and they have that zeal to do something different. So that's where I separated from various other companies that I have worked with also in the past. It's the people. If you want to work with the right people, then yes, Redix Web is the place that you should go to. So when I reminisce the days way back in 2000, just 2 of them, and for a part, I had also been a small part of Redix Web for some time. So back then, it was the zeal, it was the adventure that we wanted to do. What separates the company from various others that I've come across. And it also gives me that feeling of being one with the company. So while I'm a client of the company, I still feel it's my own company. And it's a fact. It's a fact. When we started off, it was smaller than this room. Just 2 of them, and Dharmesh being the third. That's how it happened. So you look at the growth, you look at the size. It can't happen with, when you don't have the vision, and when you don't have the zeal to go that extra mile, or you're only money minded in the whole thing. So the whole approach was different. At that point of time, we want to become so big was not the point. We want to, earn so much money was not the point. We want to do something different was the point. And that's what has built that relationship, what it is today. I would say that this is just the beginning, and there is a long way to go. I don't see this company achieving its true potential yet. I think there is too much to grow, and I wish them all the best in reaching the place where they have to really reach.